The market theme August fan or expiry is likely to be volatile. Volatility is likely to be the hallmark as investors assess 1. Sweeping US sanctions on Iran. 2. Iran's retaliation threat. 3. Elevated US bond yields will keep risk appetite restrained. Our call of the day: defend 24,000, confirmation only above 24,317. Tuesday's monthly fan or expiry could trigger sharp intraday swings. Nifty must defend 24,000 and decisively reclaim 24,317 before bulls can regain control. The biggest positive catalyst: crude oil retreats. Brent slipped towards $90 to $93 per barrel on profit-taking and improved tanker movement, providing some relief to India's inflation, rupee and corporate margin outlook. Bottom line: expect a volatile, range-bound expiry session. Holding 24,000 keeps the base-building attempt alive, while a close above 24,317 could open the door towards 24,700. Market trend dashboard. Global cues, mixed cautious. FII activity, +1, 182 crore. DII activity, +2, 493 crore. Brent crude, around $90 to $93 per barrel. Overall sentiment, cautious. Market breadth, mixed. Nifty setup, expiry-led volatility is likely. Broad fan zone, 24,000 to 24,500. USD INR August futures, 95.68. Nifty outlook: Nifty surrendered early gains on Monday, indicating cautions for Tuesday's trade. Only a sustained move above 24,300 could trigger an advance towards 24,585 and 24,700. Conversely, a break below 24,000 could expose the index eventually to 23,600. Volatility and derivatives. India VIX, 11.52. Nifty PCR, around 0.70. Bank Nifty PCR, around 0.71. FI Nifty PCR, around 0.87. Midcap Nifty PCR, around 0.85. August expiry bias, heavy call writing around 24,300 to 24,350 could cap the upside, while put support is expected around 24,000. What technicals tell us about Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty? Nifty, 24,219. Immediate support, 24,000. Major resistance, 24,317 by 24,700. Expected range, 24,100 to 24,350. Bias, caution. 21 DMA, 24,363. 50 DMA, 24,194. 100 DMA, 23,957. 200 DMA, at 24,680. Sensex, 77,369. Immediate support, 76,700. Major resistance, 78,500. Expected range, 77,000 to 78,000. Bias, caution. 21 DMA, 77,879. 50 DMA, 77,431. 100 DMA, 76,666. 200 DMA, at 79,653. Bank Nifty, 57,526. Make or break support, 56,700. Major resistance, 58,700. Expected range, 57,000 to 58,100. Bias, caution. 21 DMA, 57,528. 50 DMA, 57,615. 100 DMA, 56,160. 200 DMA, at 57,456. Stock market news. August expiry playbook. Avoid aggressively chasing gap up or gap down moves. Prefer selective buying only if Nifty sustains above 24,300. Raise cash if Nifty closes below 24,000. Expect heavy call resistance around 24,300 to 24,350. Keep position sizes moderate as expiry swings could be deceptive. Sectors likely to outperform. Metals, strong momentum favors JSW Steel, Tata Steel and Hindalco. IT, selective recovery possible after Monday's relative outperformance. Gold financiers, elevated gold prices remain supportive for Muthoot Finance and Manappuram Finance. Capital goods, strong order books favor Lanti and selective power equipment companies. Upstream oil and gas, ONGC and Oil India remain supported while crude stays elevated. Sectors likely to underperform. PSU banks, Monday's weakness and expiry positioning warrant caution. Aviation, paints and OMCs. Stocks to watch. Positive bias. JSW Steel, Hindalco, Tata Steel, Metals displayed strong relative strength on Monday. Apollo Tyres, UBS upgraded the stock to buy and raised its target to 590 rupees. TVS Supply Chain Solutions, strategic collaboration with Japan's Sankyo covers logistics and engineering services. Sankyo also intends to acquire a 0.5% stake. Ratnamani Metals, strong momentum after Monday's sharp rally. Avoid chasing at elevated levels. Negative cautious bias. Indigo, Asian Paints, HUL, TMPV.